This is the famous Mara river of Masai Mara region. We have seen this in many documentaries where wildebeest cross this river. This is the spot during their annual migration. Right now we are seeing two hippo fighting it out, a sort of territorial battle. There are several other hippo. This one is simply intimidating others. It has really huge jaw, and these two are fighting it out.